On June 19, 2023, Mark Jaggers Jr., a 21-year-old, was shot and killed by an undercover LMPD officer in the Portland neighborhood of Louisville, Kentucky. The police claim he was attempting an armed carjacking, but his family tells a different story. Jaggers' father is demanding answers and accountability, asserting that his son was unarmed and misjudged. This incident has only added to the ongoing tension between the police and the community in Louisville. The conflicting accounts raise questions that remain unanswered. Was this a case of self-defense or a tragic misunderstanding? Join us as we dive deeper into the events of that fateful day and the calls for justice that continue to echo through Louisville.
Police! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Shots fired! Shots fired! Fuck. What is your deal, bro? Send somebody back here. I just tried to get robbed.
I wouldn't go rob you.
What's your name?
Mark.
What?
Mark.
Send cars to me. Somebody tried to rob me. Call 911.
Okay.
You just shoot me.
Where?
That's my baby daddy. Did you just shoot my baby daddy?
He's trying to rob me. Get me back here. I got somebody showing up. Stay back. There's a gun. Stay back.
Baby daddy, my son's in the car.
Okay.
Did you just shoot my baby daddy? Did you shoot my
Get on the main channel. Stop. Get back now. Get back now.
I have no weapon.
Okay, get back.
Hey, where's he shot? Where's he shot?
Right here, Prill. Right here.
Did you call an ambulance?
They're getting it out.
Did you call an ambulance? Mark, is he dead? Did you call an ambulance?
That's Mom.
That's my son in the back of the car. That's my baby daddy. I don't have
On
nothing.
French, I'll just,
Ma'am, stand over here.
Which way they go?
Hey, is there anything?
Mark,
He's down. Start EMS this location.
is he dead?
He's mad. Check on him.
All right.
Which street are you on?
Stand over here. Stand over here. We're gonna try to help him. Stand over here. We're in the rear address. What's that?
And we're together and tell us where you're at and if you're injured.
I'm okay. I'm gonna be in the rear of 2200 block of Griffiths.
Mark! Mark!
Ma'am, please stand over here.
Anybody else see it?
Okay. Matt, you want me to start on him? Yeah, go ahead. What's his name?
His name is Mark.
Mark
That's
what?
my
We're
name,
in
Mark
north-south
Jaggers.
alley
Do what?
between, I think it's
Mark
Owen
Jaggers?
and
Is
Garfield.
he dying? Can I please
See what?
stay
We're
next to
getting
him?
EMS started.
Can I please stay next to him?
No, stay back because we got a
Is there
gun right
anybody
here.
else on
He's
scene?
gonna get EMS
Will
over
you
here.
touch it? I don't want it. Will you
We gotta
move
leave it where it is.
That's my
I
baby
think you
daddy.
said one ran off.
Please.
I didn't get it.
Please.
Negative. Only one accounted for. Get EMS over here.
Please. 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 Can
One
I
down. I'm
touch it?
1086.
Please, can I touch
No,
it?
just wait. We're gonna get EMS because he's gonna be working on him. Okay.
Where'd you shoot him?
Do what?
Where'd you shoot him?
Man, I don't know right now. That's what we're gonna get.
Mark, baby, I love you, Mark. It looks like he's dying, man.
I know he's getting all the EMS stuff right now for him. Okay. We're gonna get him working on him. We will. What's his name? Mark Jaggers. Okay.
That's my baby daddy.
Okay. We're gonna get him working on right now.
Please, that's my baby daddy. That is my baby daddy. I can't. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We're right here. Here, step back over here.
Please,
Yes,
please,
Pastor, up there.
please save my
Come over
baby
here.
daddy.
Come over here.
No, what's your name?
That's my baby daddy.
Listen to me. What's your name?
What do you need? What do you need?
Hey man, talk to me. Probably a seal.
Yeah, give me a chest too.
What, 2200 block?
North-south alley. Yeah, it's one turn off. North-south alley right behind 2200 Black and Griffith.
Give me a chest seal. That's bandage.
I'm gonna try for both sides.
You know how
Chest
many
seal?
times?
No.
Okay. Hey, just talk to me.
I'm gonna try to get
Alright.
gloves. Is that what you need?
Yeah. Put this shirt up, man. Hey, you know that, bro?
I'm trying to grab gloves. That's baby mama's car. She just pulled up.
start trying to get him.
Here you go, Jay, if you need gloves.
Hey, buddy, talk to me.
Here's gloves. Hey, watch out, the gun's right there.
Come on.
I'm not coming down. Not until somebody tells me.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna tell me. My brother on the ground. Let me go in your fucking face.
Oh, hey.
Wait, who shot my brother?
Talk to me.
Who shot my brother? That's my brother.
Leon wants to switch. Why get done with this?
Need anything for real?
Man, just hang out over here.
So, what do you think really happened? Comment below and let's discuss.